Hello and welcome to the Tealium MarTech Challenge. I'm Josh Wolf. I manage the solutions consultants on the eastern half of the United States. And today's challenge is about managing your privacy settings across vendors. Integrating your digital vendors is hard in the first place, but managing their privacy settings centrally is even harder. Helium Solution is to manage all your vendor integrations centrally through our tag management system. It's going to provide you a simple point-and-click user interface to add, remove, and modify your vendor integrations. And it's also going to provide you the ability to allow all of your website's visitors to manage their privacy settings themselves. Each user is going to be able to opt in or opt out as they see fit. So let's take a look and see how this works. This is Tealium IQ, the Tealium Tag Management System. A couple things you'll note across the top. We have access to the data layer, and that's going to be the data that gets passed off to the vendors that you want to integrate with. We're going to have the tags. Those are the actual vendor integrations. But something else I wanted to note is our extensions. And extensions are a toolkit of all different sorts of useful things that you're currently using JavaScript to accomplish, and we'll be able to do that through a nice point-and-click user interface. So big time savings, risk savings, and the thing that I wanted to point out in particular is our privacy manager, which I already have set up. Because Tealium is a client-side tag management system, when people opt out of a particular vendor or category of vendors, we're actually going to stop the tag from serving. So that's the advantage that you have managing your privacy settings through your tag management system. So when someone opts out of tracking by a particular vendor, that tag is never served, the data is never passed to that vendor, unlike some other systems which flag that data as do not track, and then it's up to the other vendor to do the right thing. So this is going to give you a point-and-click widget that you're going to be able to serve on your website, and users are going to be able to opt in or opt out of tracking. The first thing you're going to do is point it to a DOM ID or some other identifier on the page. So it's going to turn into a button. Someone's going to click that button. And you can make this serve on any page or many pages on your website. Next are the visitors' options, right? Are they opted in by default? Are they opted out by default? Is this by individual vendor or by category? Things along those lines. The next thing I will show you, and that's it. The privacy manager is set up, it's ready to go. So the next thing I'm going to show you is over here on my demonstration website, we will go to my privacy policy, and my privacy manager is pointing at this ID right here. So I click that, and there it is. I have it set up for people to opt in and out by individual vendor. So this vendor I'm opted out of. If I want to be able to be tracked, that's all I have to do to change that. And this remembers me from the last time I visited. So that's it. A couple of clicks to set up your privacy manager, get it live on your website. You can manage your own vendor's privacy settings yourself the same way. Just wanted to show you a quick example of one of our customers. You go right here, privacy settings, and you see it live on their site. And this is set up by category instead, but same principle. Well, thank you very much. That was the MarTech Challenge. Have a great day.